The last one here is kind of not really a special case, but one that I'm afraid you guys forget about. X is greater than 2. I changed it. If you can see under the blue, yes, I was going to do something different first. So remember, you are really thinking of the line x equals 2. Again, we did this for a long time in class before we left. This is the equation of a vertical line. Remember, x equals a number is a vertical line. And anytime you just have y equals a number, that's a horizontal line. As a quick review. So if it's x equals 2, that means I'm on the x-axis at 2, and I just throw 2 points on there. I have a vertical line, oops, I shouldn't have drew it yet, going through 2. Now before I draw it, I need to go back up and say, hey, it's just a greater than, not a greater than or equal to. So this is a case where I will have a dotted line going through x equals 2. Now remember, a dotted line means that any point, come on, focus, on the line would not be a solution to the inequality. Let me just show you that real quick. The point 2, 0. So that means 2's going in for x, 0's going in for y. There is no y in this problem, so that doesn't really matter. So if I have x is greater than 2, I get 2 is greater than 2. Is that true? No, 2 is equal to 2. So that means any point on this line is not a solution to the inequality. Okay, now I have to figure out, well, which way do I shade? So let's test. Can we test 0, 0 in this case? Yes, because the line does not go through 0, 0. So that means I'm putting 0 in for x, 0 in for y. There's no y, so that's okay. So I get 0 is greater than 2. Is that true? No. 0 isn't bigger than 2. 0, 0 is to the left of the line. When I tested it, it was false. So that means I shade to the opposite side. So that means everything to the right, every single point to the right of this line is a solution. Also remember, there are infinitely many answers to these types of problems, and that shaded area goes on forever. This one you could also just think about. Instead of testing, it says x is greater than 2, so that means all numbers bigger than 2, which would be over here like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one might be a little bit more intuitive for you.